Did you know your phone uses artificial intelligence at least 20 times a day, even when you don't notice it? AI means artificial intelligence. It's not magic. It's a computer program that learns from examples. Just like how you learn from practice, AI learns from data, lots of it. You use AI every day when you watch YouTube. It recommends videos you like, use Google Maps, finds the fastest route, unlock your phone with your face, or ask Alexa or Siri a question. Tool 1. This is QuickDraw by Google. You draw something, and AI guesses what it is. It guessed right. Why? Because it learned from millions of drawings made by real kids. Tool 2. Teachable Machine. Now you can train your own AI model in under 2 minutes. Teachable Machine is a free tool that lets you train a computer to recognize images, sounds, or poses, just like real AI. You show it examples, like pictures of a red cup and a blue cup, and after training, it can tell them apart on its own. It doesn't come pre-programmed. You teach it, and that's how real AI learns. This shows AI learns from patterns, and you can teach it. Tool 3. AI Art Now. Let's create art just by typing. Type. Reading a book underwater. No drawing skills needed. Just describe your idea, and AI brings it to life. Perfect for school projects, stories, or fun. AI can help explain tough topics, like how do volcanoes erupt, in simple words. But remember, always check answers and always use tools like this with a parent or teacher. AI isn't magic. It's a tool that learns from data. And the best part? You can try real AI tools today for free. Try these tools today. QuickDraw with Google.com. Teachable Machine with Google.com. Bing.com/images will create, use. Gemini, Google.com. Tools like Gemini from Google can help explain science, math, or homework questions in simple words, but always use them with a parent or teacher. Stay curious, stay smart.